Hi family, Lorna here, back at you with another simple life video. Today I'm going to teach you how I wash my fruits and my vegetables when I come home. Because I have a lot this time, I like to make my space bigger so that it doesn't look too complicated for me. If I just have a couple, then I would do it in the kitchen, but I want to take it out here to give you a different view. I am planning to do a juice fast, so these are the things that I'll be implementing in my juice fast. So I thought I have to wash them anyway, so I thought I would come on and show you how I do my washing. So these normally come the cucumber in the plastic, so I just take the scissors and just take them off. I'll be doing some lemon because I want the skins in this juice cleanse. I buy the organic ones. If there was no organic one, then I would just get the regular ones and peel it. I have some here grapefruit. These are not organic. I have some oranges, pineapple, some Granny Smith apple. These are organic. Some celeries. Celeries for me have to be organic. If it's not organic, I cannot use it because it doesn't taste, the taste of celery is already off. And when it's not organic, it tastes worse, like it's just terrible for me. So these are organic. The watermelons are not. This is parsley and cilantro. It would have been good if I could get these organic, but I could not find it in the stores nearby. So I had to get them this way. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I would wash them. So here I have two waters. I have water, water, water. I have my hose. I brought it outside and I just go ahead and fill up my containers. Okay, so to wash them, I normally put some apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to pour. I'm not even going to measure. I'm just gonna pour it like that. These are to rinse them. And then I have some baking soda. So I'm going to just eyeball it. When I wash in the house, in the kitchen inside, I usually put two tablespoons, sorry, I usually put 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 1 cup of water. So, and then I increase after that, depending on how much I am washing. So I'm just gonna do it like that. And then, so now the color of the water changes. It's looking white and cloudy. I don't know if you can see it from there. Just gonna add some more because it's not going to hurt to put too much. And I'm going to start with my cilantro here. So I would mix up the water. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in there like that. I normally leave it in for about half an hour. So I'm just dumping them in. Immerse them right down in the water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add the parsleys also. Okay, so while that's there, I'm going to put Even though these are organic, you know, you still have to wash them, because I will be juicing the skins. I'm going to be cutting them in 4 and juicing with the skins. But you have to wash everything, right? So I'm just going to pour that in with the apples. With this one, you just pull them apart like this. It's so nice to be outside in nature doing this. It feels so great. Now that the weather is getting better, if you don't have to be in the kitchen, then don't, because come winter, we have no choice but to be inside. With the celeries, you have to open them because sometimes the dirt is inside, so you have to open it like this. Okay, I have my special washcloth. So what I would do, I would just go ahead. You have to take pride in doing the things that you're doing, because you know that they're going in your body and you want to put the best of what you're eating inside. So just for camera's sake, usually I keep them in, like I said, for half an hour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I will do. So I'm putting it in another container with clean water, like that. For these ones, I would just come on here and just scrub them. So this is a kitchen brush, so I only use this for my kitchen. And you just go ahead like that. You wash it, put it in the water. You wash your apples. Take off. Baking soda is so good because the vinegar only probably would be good, but when you add the baking soda to it, it takes off more of the pesticide from off your fruit. So I'm just gonna put that there and get down in it like that. Let me do the grapefruit just to show you. You go ahead, you wash everything that comes from the store, especially now with Corona. You want to make sure everything is all sanitized and clean. What else haven't I washed? The orange. And the water is still cloudy. It smells like vinegar and it's cloudy with the baking soda. So I know that it's effective. And then this is what I would do. And then I would put them in there to wash. The 1 cucumber. Softer things like these, I try to wash them with the sponge. Like that. Just to speed it up, just to let you know. Then I would put them in there with the watermelon. 1 second. What I would normally do with the watermelon is, hold on. I would just come over here like that. Put some baking soda on there. And then I would just go like that. Wash down the watermelon. So the juices I'm going to be making is the parsley. Let me show you. I'm going to be making parsley, cilantro, with celery, green apples, lemons, what else? Did I say cucumber? And that's my green drinks that I'll be making. And for my citruses, I'm going to be doing watermelon, 1 jar of watermelon, 1 jar with orange, and 1 with grapefruit. So if this watermelon was organic, I would wash it down the same way and I would juice the skin also. But because it's not organic, I'm not going to juice the skin. I would do the same with the pineapple too. If it was organic, I would juice the skin after I wash it down. So I just want to come on here and show you how I would clean my fruits and vegetables. I'm going to be washing this next to show you. You just use the hose. To me, when I come out here and I do things like this, it seems more simple, more easy to me, and it's not a problem. If I were to do all of this in the kitchen, it would have feel overwhelming to me. So that's why I come up here. I set up my table, I set up my washing stations, and that's what I do. With the watermelon, you do the same. You just take it, you wash it down. Sometimes you can just go ahead and just pull that out because you want to make sure you get everything. I have a bucket here with clean water, so I'm just going to immerse that down there. I'm not going to do everything, I'm just showing you an example of what I would do, how I do it, just so you can see. Okay. All right. Okay. So now, again, I would just leave these in here, come around, and I would take each one of them, wash them, put them in. I would take the parsley and I would just shake it out, shake it, shake it. Just keep moving them around to make sure that, because sometimes there's bugs inside of these things. Oh, this is a big one. Sometimes there's bugs inside and you don't want to be juicing bugs if you can help it. So you go through, there's some leaves that are not good, you pick them out. You try to do your best, right? Because everything that you put in your body, it affects your health. So you have to try your best to make sure that, you know, because they said health is wealth, right? So after I put it in here, it's soaked, I wash them, I come over here and I rinse them. This is a whole lot of water. So this alone could wash the baking soda off. But after I do it here, I go over. This is like playing. You know when you have the children and they're outside playing in the water. It's fun. And you know, you feel so proud when you're ready to eat because you know that. And then you put it over here and you're all ready to go. After you've done washing, rinsing, and double rinsing, then what I do, I have these cloth that I cut. I go to the thrift store and these are cotton. I get cotton material for less. And so when this one was previously washed, so after I've washed them, I will put them in here like so, because I try not to use too much plastic containers or to keep them in the plastic bag. So I will do this like so. And I find that they last and they stay fresh. When I have so much like this is what I do, and I put them in the fridge. If if I wasn't doing this juice fast and it wasn't a lot, then I would just, after I washed it, I will get a mason jar, put some water in the mason jar, and just put it in there like so, and then put it in the fridge in the mason jar, and then it would keep it fresh. So family, I think I have shown you all the steps that I would normally go through. My next video, I will be showing you how I juice these, and I will explain to you why I'm doing the juice fast and how long I'll be doing it for. But this here, I just want to come here and show you how I wash my vegetables. So family, I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you